In lesson 7's homework, we're going to continue our work with our proofs, except this time with quadrilaterals. In the coordinate plane, quadrilateral ABCD has coordinates A11, B24, and so on and so forth. Prove it is a parallelogram. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to graph it. So there's A11, B is 2, 4, C is 9, 5, and D is going to be 8, 2. All right, so there's our points. We'll connect them to make a quadrilateral that, according to this, should be a parallelogram. So the easiest way to do our parallelogram is to do all of our slopes. So AB, BC, CD, and AD. All right, so AB is up 1, 2, 3 over 1, which is 3. BC is up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 1 over 7. CD up 3 over 1, and AD is up 1 and over 7. So we have our matching sets of parallel sides here. So ABCD is a parallelogram. That's an awful parallelogram, because both sets of opposite sides are parallel. All right, and again, how do we get that? Same slope. So now, number 2 is actually a continuation of this, using coordinate geometry to prove that this is not a rectangle. So if you think back to the lesson, what is a parallelogram? It is a rectangle with, there we go, that's better. It is a rectangle with right angles. So ABCD is not a rectangle because none of the slopes are negative reciprocals. So there are no right angles. Okay, so most of the time they're asking you to actually prove something to be true. In this case, they wanted you to prove that something was not true. All right, so we proved it's a parallelogram through our slopes, and then continued our use of slopes to show that this was not a rectangle.